Hello all. In this video we are going to see about Java annotation. So I'm going to present some 5 points about the Java annotations. So the first one is we use annotations for the compiler mainly. So it uses this annotations to detect errors and suppress warnings. So it will be detected using these annotations. First thing. Second one, so it will be available at the development time and preset at runtime, which means it is checking everything in the this method is annotated or not during the development time, and at the runtime it won't execute. So annotations is metadata. So metadata is data about data. So it works like a dictionary. So when you give this annotation, it has a meaning. Okay. So if we are using auto override annotation, means it will tell this compiler like this as a superclass. So we have to consider this superclass before throwing the compiler error. So like that, for every annotation we have a specific keyword. Okay, specific if we are using at class, means we are declaring that the above declarations are belonging to a class, so this will be belonging to a class. So if we are using at public, means this declaration is belonging to public access modifiers. Like that, it has a meaning, and that meaning will be tell to the compiler, so it will consider before throwing compiler errors. Okay, and without annotation also it will work fine, but we are using annotations for making meaningfulness and to help the compiler uh, in a much better way. So what is the thing that is present before annotations? It is simply XML files. So XML files are mainly used for configurations in Java, Spring Boot, in struts. So Hibernate, everywhere we are using this XML files. So these XML files are mainly used for configurations. So we configure everything inside this XML file, and it will be a hard thing to handle. So annotations are in simple. It will be used along with this particular methods or variable declarations everywhere. So it's easy to handle. So that's the main advantages of annotations over the XML files. Thanks, Jim. Thanks for the support.